Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing an Among Us Crewmate wearing a Pusheen Unicorn costume. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the visor with a sideways oval. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the face. We'll start with the mouth with two curves. And then on either side, let's draw a U-shaped curve for the eyes. And then add 3 eyelashes underneath. And lastly, let's draw 2 curves on the sides for the whiskers. Next, let's hop up and let's add the hat. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve above the visor and out to the left. Now let's hop up in the middle and let's draw a curve across. Then from the right, let's bring it up and curve it back down for the first ear. And the same thing on the left, but a little bit larger like this. Now let's hop inside and add Pusheen's face. From the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. And the same on the right and the left. Now underneath, let's add the mouth with 2 curves. And then circles for the eyes. And color both of them in black. And again, let's add 2 curves for the whiskers on both sides. Now let's move to the top and add the horn. Let's draw 2 angled lines coming up to a point. And then let's add 2 curves at the top and 2 more at the bottom. Now let's move on top and add the hair. Let's start above the right ear and let's draw a curve up, over, and flick it up on the left. Then for the end, let's curve it back down. Now let's add another V-shaped curve, and then 1 more, and bring it back down to the head. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and finish drawing the body. Let's start underneath on the left side and let's draw a curve down. And then a very small curve down on the right side under the visor. Next, let's hop under the middle of the visor and let's draw the zipper. Let's start with an angled line. And then 2 curves down and out to the right. And 1 more curve to close it off. Next, inside, let's add another diagonal line at the top. And then a black rectangle in the bottom. Now on top of the zipper, let's curve it over and out to the right. And the same thing on the left side. Now from the left, let's curve it down. And the same thing on the right, but let's make this side a little bit shorter. Then from the bottom of both sides, let's angle it down and in. Then from the left, let's curve it back up, and then 1 more curve down to the right. And then let's add 1 more angle to close off the other leg. Next, let's hop inside and add some details. Let's start under the zipper and let's draw a curve down. And then inside on the left, let's draw a moon shape. We'll start with a curve. And then one more inside. Next, let's hop over on the left side and let's add the wings. Let's start with a large curve up and back down. Then another smaller one. And one last one, bringing it back in. Now behind the wings, let's add the backpack. Let's start next to the head and let's draw a line across. Then under the wings, let's bring it down and curve it in. Lastly, underneath, let's add the tail. Let's start under the backpack and let's draw a curve out and back down. And then one more V-shaped point to close it off. And that's it for this Pusheen Unicorn Crewmate. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!